Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to be making Gordon Ramsay's monkey shoulder cheesecake. But first, the ginger nut biscuits that you have. I've went for the McVitie's ones, but I also went for the Tesco ginger nut biscuits. 55p for the Tesco ones and like £1.55 for the McVitie's ones, making sure not to turn them upside down. And look at the size difference. What I want to know is, can you taste the difference? And I know which one is which, but looking at it though, this is McVitie's one, and this is the Tesco one. The back of them are slightly different, but they generally are. So smelling them, you can get more of a ginger smell, if you may, a stronger fragrance of ginger of the McVitie's one than you do. You can still get an aroma of ginger, but it's just not as, I can smell this straight away, and it'll come where it's like a very lighter scent, if you may. So I'm going to kick things off with the McVitie's one. That might be a mistake, but nice ginger, what you'd expect. Now, Mr. Tesco, 55p, pretty much half the price of what I paid for the McVitie's one. Just like the way it's set up with the low aroma of ginger, it's not as gingery as that. You still get a hit of ginger. I mean, it's not a bad biscuit, but I think McVitie's have to take it. So we've got here 300 grams of ginger nut biscuits. We're just going to blend them up. So my mix of the crumbs are here, and they came out quite nice. Now I need 75 grams of castor of the sugar, or as everyone knows, castor sugar. There we go. 25 grams. There we go. I'm also doing what it states to do at the start, greasing the cake tin. I'm just going to grease around this as well. Then goes our butter to be melted. Nearly there. In this goes. And just to mix it all together. Right. So I'm going to push this all down. So this is going to go into the fridge for 30 minutes or longer. And we'll get this out the top on the base, sorry. Okay, so the base is in the fridge now, and next we're going to get the topping of the cheesecake done. 300 grams of cream cheese, so I've went with the kind of American style mascarpone, 130 grams of caster sugar, and ready for probably the most expensive thing per item on this menu, I guess, for individual bits, which only involves two of them, is vanilla pods. Which are they? And people are going to say, you can get vanilla essence and stuff. Trust me, once you have fresh vanilla, you're never going to go back. It's just something about the smell, it is just to die for. And I love the smell of fresh vanilla. It's just unbelievable. 250 ml of double cream. Here, 150 grams of cream fraiche. I got that from South Park. And 2 tablespoons of monkey shoulder whiskey, or a whiskey of your choice. I don't have monkey shoulder whiskey, and I don't know where to find it. I do have, however, a lot of whiskey. Now I wouldn't say this is entirely a lot of whiskey, but I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bottles sitting here, and this is a bourbon that I've had for years actually. And I've got some more whiskey. These are all empty. But I've got some in the little glass here. I do have a lot of whiskey to choose from. 300 grams of this. 130 grams of caster sugar, there we go. So that's going in. $150 grams of cream fraiche. There you go, 151. You know the way that we're mixing up the weights today. Right, now's the fun bit. We're using my electric mixer until it resembles a nice thick twist this in it until it resembles a thick. That looks about right. So that's representing a thick consistency. Now this is the whiskey. As it says. And that wasn't quite a tablespoon, and one because we're Scottish. Next, obviously just putting over the base. Okay, so now you can see the base is out of the fridge, nice rock hard. It's been in there for over 30 minutes. So it's now just time to put the nice topping over and smooth it out. Okay, time to stick them in the fridge for 3 hours. Or overnight, so I'll place the raspberries over tomorrow. Away she goes.